No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal controlled substances. You're not.
But Judge, I just want to let you know, he had a medical marijuana.
Is that true, sir?
That is true.
And do you have proof of that now?
Yes,
It did expire though, I believe several days ago.
yeah, about a month ago.
Well, I'm not gonna address that then. You're gonna have to get a new medical marijuana card.
This defendant is facing a controlled substance charge, but today isn't really about the mushrooms. It's about whether he takes responsibility when the spotlight hits.
Malcolm Burnell Oatmeal III, 26B150669A, B, and C.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziano. Malcolm Neal, to my left. Please identify yourself, sir.
Malcolm Burnell, Oatmeal, very young.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Not too bad. So we have a possession of a controlled substance. We have a expired plate, and we have a no proof of insurance. First of all, on the misdemeanor charge of possession of controlled substance, does he stand mute and waive formal reading?
Yes, he does, Judge.
And then the other case, so he's going to now plead to that, and they are going to dismiss the no proof of insurance and expired plate, but he's also going to plead to distracted driving, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
And that's going to go on file B. Sadie, so we'll take the plea to distracted driving on file B, and then I'm going to dismiss file A and didn't say dismiss. I'm going to dismiss file C, no proof of insurance. I'm going to dismiss file B, original charge of expired plate, and then I'll take the possession of a controlled substance under 7411. Do you understand what that means, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty under section 7411, what that means is I'm going to defer the proceeding. I'm going to take your plea. I'm going to place you on probation. And then if the conviction will not enter on your record, but if you violate the terms and conditions of probation, then in that event, the conviction will end up on your record. If you comply, the case will be dismissed at the end of the specified period of probation that I set. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand under local ordinance, this is punishable by up to $500 in fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, I do.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. To the charge, is it possession of a controlled substance? How do you plead?
Guilty.
On April 30th, 26, were you on Telegraph near Emils in a motor vehicle in Brownstown Township at 9:50 p.m.?
Yes.
And were you in possession of a controlled substance?
Yes.
What kind of substance? Okay. And to the charge of distracted driving, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Responsible?
Responsible.
Where were the mushrooms at?
In a pouch inside my car, sir.
And it was your vehicle, this 2014 Ford?
Yes, sir. Correct.
And did you put the mushrooms there?
Yes.
All right. They were yours?
They were mine.
Are you on probation or parole right now?
No, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'll take it under section 7411. I'm also going to accept your plea to distracted driving. I'm going to defer the sentencing on that. I'm going to dismiss file C. We're going to set this for a sentencing. I'm going to address bond. Do you have any priors?
He does not have any priors, Judge. Just wanted to indicate if these, and then from a 2 to 3 weeks normally, which we have before sentencing, Mr. O'Neill is a wrestler, and sometimes he goes out of state.
What do you wrestle for?
We independently contracted for us, so for about 3 different companies.
No kidding. What tell me, explain.
Last week I wrestled for Game Changer Wrestling. They're based out of New Jersey, but they travel all over the world. So I wrestled for them whenever they're in the Midwest. So I tend to wrestle for them. I wrestled for another company called ICW. I've gone to England, Japan, Australia.
Wow.
All types of places doing this.
Are they paying you as much as they paid superstar baseball players? I mean, you're making 39 million, 42.
Listen, I wish. I get paid in pats on the backs and bruised body, that's it.
No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal controlled substances. You're not.
But Judge, I just want to let you know, he had a medical marijuana.
Is that true, sir?
That is true.
And you have proof of that now?
Yes,
It did expire though, I believe several days ago.
yeah, about a month ago.
Well, I'm not gonna address that then. You're gonna have to get a new medical marijuana card.
Absolutely.
But no alcohol then, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. Do I need to have a provision here for, when's the next time you're supposed to go out of state?
Right now, all of the dates that I have are,
Are they after June 18th?
I don't have anything out of state, planned until, July.
Okay. We're gonna do your sentencing on June the 18th at what time, Heather?
Oh, sorry, 8:30?
8:30 in the morning, okay? I'm gonna order a screening and assessment. Like I said, I'm taking your plea. Possession with controlled substance. You'll go down the hall, you'll get your notice, and then you're going over to probation where you'll fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed, and then you'll come back on June the 18th, okay?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Any questions?
No question. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Graziani. Good luck, sir. Good luck with your wrestling. That's interesting.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This hearing ends on a positive note, but make no mistake. The outcome was earned by cooperation and honesty, not entitlement. Judge Boyd gave this defendant a chance to keep a conviction off his record, but that chance now depends entirely on his future choices. Follow the rules, and the case disappears. Ignore them, and the consequences return fast. Do you think the judge was right? Or did the defendant waste his final chance? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.
People against Stone. Dominique Clayton Stone, 216-645-937. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, James Clough, 30720. We copy Mr. Stone.
Mr. Stone, your name?
Dominic Clay Stone for the record.
So there's just a stipulated plea agreement and, oh, he wants a jury?
No, Your Honor, he's demanding a trial.
Okay, okay.
There had been an offer made to a civil infraction. At this time, it's refused. I would ask for a trial date, but also a pretrial date as well.
Kind of civil infraction.
Later.
Listen, you have the right to a trial. I'm not. That's fine. If that's what you want to do. Civil infraction, you're going to pay a few dollars and you're going to be out of here. And the misdemeanor's dismissed. Do you want to still go forth with your jury trial? If you do, that's fine.
No, I just would like to discuss something with you.
You want what?
Under civil trials, I was to take a plea. The cops agreement. Can I use a cops agreement? A what? Cops agreement.
Where are you coming up with this stuff?
Because I don't want, let, if I may answer as well, and if I may, a civil infraction has nothing to do with jail or anything like that.
You're not going to jail as long as you pay the fines. And I don't do COBS agreements. I don't do COBS agreements. I haven't done COBS agreements here in 31 years. But listen, just listen. Nobody here is going to put you in jail. It's a civil infraction. It's not going to go on your criminal history. It's going to be done. There's going to be no consequences other than the payment of a fine. And it's not going to be that much. If that's what you want to do. If you don't, you want a trial, that's fine. Okay.
And we're asking for the pretrial as well, just because.
Give me that one of those other dates, Heather, for the that I already set for trial, okay?
I don't think you get your date, no.
No, I know, but I got other ones that.
Or jury trial, Judge? I'm saying.
That I already have scheduled. I'm going to schedule a lot of them because they never go. Nobody ever goes to jury here. it
Okay.
seems like.
I think the two we did yesterday were, hold on, I don't want to speak before I say, I want to say it was July 24th.
And
Right.
I don't want to go that one.
When we pick a jury, it's that on a Friday that we pick them.
Typical.
Yeah,
And then I go
it
right
was
to-
July 24th that we scheduled the two yesterday. We did
Yeah, I
have
know.
July 17th open.
What about another date in June? I mean, I guess it's
But
already, geez, it's already the
June?
30.
June is pretty tough, Judge.
Yeah, June, the only day you would be available for June would be the 26th.
You can't do that?
No, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Well, then we're gonna make it July 24th.
So we're adding this one to the 24th then also?
Say that again?
We're
Yeah, at
adding this
8:30.
one to
At
the
8:30.
24th? Okay,
I just gotta double check with Mr. Bologna. Make sure he's available that day.
Hello?
Mr. Bologna, can you come in here, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you. So we're gonna go to a jury trial.
What I'm being told, Your Honor.
Okay, July 24th, is that good for you at 8:30? You know that a Cobb's plea doesn't apply to civil infractions, right?
Just slow down. First thing I thought about, negotiating for 10 minutes.
Don't worry about your rights. Your rights are gonna be protected here, I promise you. He's a good lawyer too, Mr. Sloffels. Yes, he is.
Anything from a little civil infraction all the way up to murders.
How have you, if you had, it's July 24th, good, at 8:30, and then we're gonna set a final pretrial. And I'm going to hope that you guys can resolve it.
And would that be on one of my regular dates?
Yeah, give me a date when Mr. Schloff is here, will you please, Heather?
that will be the June 18th at 9:30.
June 18th at 9:30.
Very good.
And you can talk to Mr. Schloff more. Civil infraction, you understand what a civil infraction is, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. That's what we'll do. That, you're gonna go down the hall, sir, and they're gonna give you your dates, okay? Good luck.